The Relax and Restore intensive course is really not just about learning restorative yoga poses. Yes, there will be comprehensive coverage of both the theoretical and practical aspects of restorative yoga. We will learn the subtleties of each posture, so to create an immersive and therapeutic experience for our students. But more to that, it's discovering the art of teaching restorative yoga, how to create an environment of tranquility and introspection to guide students into a deeper, more meaningful practice. This course is an exploration into the art of teaching the transformative impact of deep conscious relaxation. So when I attend a training or workshop, it is really helpful to learn about theory and experiential practices, sequences, Q&A sessions. But more importantly, it's then learning how to apply it in real life, apply it into my practice or teaching. So in this restorative intensive that I'll be offering online this February, the course will include a discussion on how to practically offer restorative yoga in an online setting or in person. There'll also be direct experiencing of being in a group setting versus teaching one-to-one. And all these will be presented in this 6 days online training. So I hope you'll explore this with me. My name is Adelene Cheong.